Happy Saturday. Welcome to Savory Saturdays, a new segment that I'm going to roll out today and pretty much every week on Saturday. So I wanted to just talk about just some foods on this Savory Saturday. And one food that I'm going to talk about today, and again, you'll receive different foods pretty much every week. So it's called arancini, which are just basically stuffed rice balls. They're just so tasty. If you love fried food like me, I love fried food. I just, oh my God, fried food. There's just something about it. But they're really crisp. They're golden brown. Just rice balls pretty much, and you coat them with breadcrumbs. And inside you could fill them just ooey gooey, just with mozzarella and just delicious cheese inside. You could coat it with ragu, and you could also fill it with ragu. That's primarily what you should do, but put it with tomato sauce. And my mother and my grandmother, they used to make me a pasta, with everything all contained in that pasta. It would be the peas, it would be the tomatoes, even my father and my grandfather. And they would put everything together, and it just tasted so good. Oh my gosh, so good. You can even make a nice risotto out of that, which is just rice. Risotto is rice, and it's just something that that's just so diverse, especially when you go to the different areas of Italy and different regions of Italy. Like in the north, it's very light with their sauces and everything, very flavorful and everything. But yeah, I absolutely love arancini, and there's a whole different variety of rice balls, as I was saying. But if you haven't already tried them, I suggest that you maybe look up some nice recipes and taste them out and really just get a good taste for them and everything. What else would I suggest? If you like butter, I love butter. Butter is something that's just totally so tasty, especially on like a nice English muffin or like toast or a bagel. It's a bechamel, and bechamel is not just like a regular butter. It's like one of those traditional butters, very rich, very creamy, but it's just so tasty with rice balls. You could also put arancini with funghi. So if you remember going back to my word of the day, funghi are just simply mushrooms. And you could also do melanzana. If you go back to my other word of the day in the Italian post that I made, melanzane are just eggplant. So really, there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can mix arancini with. And I really do suggest that you try it, especially if you're experimental, if you like trying new foods, and if you like fried food, I suggest it. But Italian food has always been my favorite, not just because I've grown up with it, but there are just so many flavors. It's just so many different things that you could try, and I'm just really grateful that it's in my culture and in my heritage. So yeah, I do suggest that you check out some arancini. Again, arancini. Those are just stuffed rice balls. Really tasty, really good. And you could try different sauces too. I do recommend the butter one. Nice little rich, flavory texture. You'll really enjoy it. But that's Savory Saturday. Sunday, tomorrow will be Sunday Fun Day. Maybe some culture. Gonna mix it up, but I'm trying these new little mini segments just to bring different audience and see how it goes and coast from there. But yes, this is the Italian Guru. Thank you for dropping by. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for your support.